Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. Well, the first off, I want to talk about the S&P 500. The S&P 500 just hit to the 7,000 levels and came back for the 6,983 at the moment. Well, because there is a important thing going to be happen today, and Fed will decide their interest value. I just have to say this. What will be interest rates about the Fed going to choose? What will be the interest rates about the Fed going to choose? So, well, in the Fed Watch it says 97%. In the Fed Watch it says 97%. It will be just making it stable. The interest is not going to lower them because if they're going to lower it very quickly, it will cause inflation, and they don't want to do inflation. They will just want to make the inflation 2% level. Right now it's 2.7%. So we are not expecting to be just lower interest rates. It will be stable, but this is more important that what will be Powell say today, for me tonight, for you today, and we will see what's going to be happen. Right now all the markets are waiting for it at the moment, and we will see what's going to be happen. As you can see, S&P just hit to its all-time high level. Very good, perfect. S&P Dow Jones is struggling about just below the 50,000 levels, just above it, also good. Also the Nasdaq, I told you couple of days ago, Nasdaq just fall behind from the other stock markets. All of them just hit to its all-time high levels, and Nasdaq was in the bottom level. As you can see over here, it gained like 4.4%. And where is it? S&P 500 just 2.5%. 1.5%. There is a difference between the Nasdaq and the S&P. I know Nasdaq will be go much more further in the upside and much more further in the downside, but right now it was a little bit gapped over here, and that gap is closed. We are expecting to be AI hype, and with the AI hype it will be go tremendously amount of levels in the US market, but not right now. Maybe in 1 year, maybe 2 years, or maybe in 3 years, but we are expecting it. Well, why we are expecting AI hype? Where is rally? We are waiting for it almost 1 year, and where is it? We cannot see it. Well, the companies are like Google or OpenAI. OpenAI is not in IPO, but well, they are just making investments about the companies are making investments about the artificial intelligence, and that means they are burning money for it. They are burning. Their profit are in loss, and someday, and that day will become, the AI will be just intelligent enough to be gets replaced by the people who works at the jobs. So one day the AI will be replace the workers, and then when the workers are replaced, that will be cause a cut of wages, and cut of wages means more profit for the companies. So with the more profit, more stock holding, well, more stock values, more stock valuations. Yes, so more stock valuations, and that means we have to buy and keep American stocks, especially with the technology ones, and especially with the AI. So that was important. Also, that's all I'm going to say about the American markets. With the gold, interesting. Gold has just passed 5,160 level and going out its way. Well, going out its way also. It can be bought at the moment, but I will buy it from here because it's out of the Nadare Watson. As you can see over here, it's out of the Nadare Watson, go down, out of Nadare Watson, go down, and out of the Nadare Watson, gone down, and right now it's out of Nadare Watson very much. So I wouldn't buy it from here because it's a little bit risky at the moment. Well, with the silver is very out of the indicators. As you can see over here in October 2025, when it gone outside, it gone down. Well, I'm bored to say this, but I will never buy silver at that moment because it is so because it is so absurd where the price is going. Yes, I know there is a shortage of the silver at the moment, but forex, but just make me an excuse for it. This price increase in a little bit time, it is not safe, and COMEX is increasing its margin rates for the silver, and that will maybe a little bit tough for the silver, I don't know. Also, as you can see over here, it out of the Nadare Watson level gone down. There's not. Also out of the Nadare Watson level gone down. Out of it, very much above the Nadare Watson level. Even the Kaufman moving average is rushing through there. Well, this is a threat, really. Maybe it can be go through like a little bit more up, like 150, I don't know. But in the short time, the correction will be coming. If we are going to look at the 1 hour chart, I'm not going to look at the 1 hour, 2 hour chart. If you look at the 2 hour chart, if you look at the 2 hour chart, as you can see over here, gone up, gone down. So there's a negative divergence in the silver at the moment. Just be careful about it. Just be careful. So with the platinum is bad, hit to the 2000 levels, and briefing at the moment going down. Nothing interesting. Well, the Bitcoin is waiting for the Fed. So what's going to be happen? What will going to Powell say? We will see about it. But the most important thing today in the markets is just what's going to Powell say. So we will have to see. And maybe it seems like there's a bottom for the 86,000 is the bottom level for the Bitcoin. It seems maybe we have to wait for the Kaufman moving average. Sorry, we have to wait for the Ichimoku cloud to be passed, and we will see what's going to happen. But right now, we will just have to wait because there's a Fed meeting today. Also, the Ethereum bad, technically. XRP is just above the old bottom level, but maybe this could be a trap because there's a lot of orders from here, and maybe the market maker can push through here with the liquidations because there's a lot of maybe 100 leverages from here could open, and the market maker wants to be take that liquidity from it, and it can be go through like 170, 168, 67 or something like that. No need to be worried because there's a lot of orders I'm thinking about here, and they will just want to take their liquidity like there. And the XMR, the Monero, this is our buddy. Well, the XMR just went past really good, and unfortunately it gone down, and 500 was a critical level for it, and it broke it with the volume, very much volumes, and it's bad. Trying to go up to the 500 level again and going to retest it. If it's going to break it, you can buy pace 2. If it cannot, just sell that you buy from the pace 1 level because it seems that's it for the short term. We will going to see what's going to happen. So thank you for watching. See you all.